Hey guys, welcome back to the Model Factory. So I wanted to show you guys a couple of new additions to the stash, and these are a couple of clearance kits that we found at Hobby Lobby. Kind of thought that their really reduced prices was over with, but I went to my local Hobby Lobby last night and was pleasantly surprised to find these in the clearance area. So first one we got is the AMT Larry Fullerton's Trojan Horse Mustang 2 funny car, and this is pretty cool. I've actually been wanting to build another funny car. It's been a few years, I don't know, maybe 4 years or more since I built one, and so this is you know, my kind of price. It was only $6.25. This is normally like a $25 kit, so they had some really low clearance prices again, at least at my Hobby Lobby. So we got this one, and then second, we also picked up the MPC 73 Mustang. This is the customizing kit. This one was only $7.50, which, as we all know, these are just ridiculously cheap prices, so I could not pass them up. So I don't know if Hobby Lobby is going to be doing this on some more kits here soon. Like, you know, we've seen in some previous videos from everybody that, here we go, this is the side I'm trying to show you. There we go. But, you know, we've seen in some previous videos that everybody was picking up some really cheap kits a few months ago. And so, I'll show you the side on this one too. So, yeah, there we go. So, you know, I don't know if they're getting ready to do that again and start making throwing some more cheap kits on the clearance aisle, or if this was just a lucky find. But anyway, we picked up those two kits, so they're pretty cool. Excited to add them to the stash, and there'll be ones that we'll get to sometime in the I say near future, but who knows, sometime in the future. So anyway, guys, check out your Hobby Lobbies. You know, there might be some more goodies to surprise you. So that's it for this video. Keep watching, guys. Keep looking out for updates. Stay tuned and eat sleep styrene, and I'll catch you all in the next video.